We are going to do a fast walkthrough of a 2016 Biesse Cosmo case clamp. This Biesse Cosmo case clamp has a 300 to 1300 millimeter working height, a 300 to 2500 millimeter length capacity, and a 140 to 700 millimeter depth capacity. In reality, you can achieve about 99 inches by 52 inches by 27.5 inches of max capacity, and just under a 12 inch by 12 inch minimum capacity. The motorized horizontal vertical beams can be moved simultaneously or individually at 13 feet per minute. You can choose between 3 pressure settings: 70%, 85%, and 100%. Biesse Cosmo case clamps also feature a built-in adjustable sensor that stops the beam at the preset pressure. This machine's working height off the floor is 20 inches.